This is my place. I can see you're tired.
Very, very tired.
Baby, I'm home. I missed you.
Missed you too.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Afternoon there.
You remember I told you about John? John had a sister who wanted
John.
to do, yeah, John, my friend John.
Okay.
The one who works at Cocoa.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, he has a sister who wants to do a national service in Accra here, so
That's nice.
I have to go pick her up. She's going to spend at least like, I don't know, a month or two.
Maybe even like 2 weeks.
Yeah, before she moves to her own place. So I just brought her here to introduce you to.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Chantel, this is my lovely wife.
Oh, nice meeting you. Okay, nice meeting you. You're welcome. Thank you. You are very beautiful. You are very thank you. You're also pretty.
I told you. We've been married for 3 years now. So, yeah, so we are happy family. And you're coming to join us as a happy family.
I'm very happy. All stay together as one family. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You can put your bags together.
Okay, let me just show you.
Okay.
Don't worry, let me help you.
Baby, don't be long because you know I'm hungry, I'm starving.
Okay, I'm coming.
So are you serious? I called you here to tell you something. Maybe I don't remember something. They are now pulling about. If you were here in this lifetime, like you will collapse.
Why? Why are you saying that?
The things the girls wearing, I don't like it at all. Or you have never seen it.
I've noticed the way she...
Ukwe Juma and Pa, more than you. You see a real way of the Asian quite at the second. It's the one you see a catcher. One day, she'll collect your husband from you. Let your eyes open. When you knew, when you know some wall.
Seriously, my shaman tired your shimo. But
petroleum manches again. Ain't me?
what can simple?
Maybe from my experience talking, I make actually what I've heard and I've seen. And I make catch on a bit too good to do. This, let's go to my already open. Okay, so bad.
Eh, see, just 1 week or I'm spending more than 3 weeks.
I'll go 1 month on this, and I call 3 years. 1 week, not better than 3 months and 3 weeks. I've got 3 years. Anyway, you have to do something before you cry. You have to do something before you realize that it's your fault.
I'm tired of these TV stations.
Baby, I'm really upset, seriously. I'm not happy at all. The lady you brought in, the way she carries herself around, why you putting on short things and stuff. I'm not going to tolerate that here. No. She has to go.
Baby, why are you saying this?
No.
Don't you trust me anymore? You've been married for 3 years, and just this thing, you're probably trying to make it sound like something bigger. Listen, let me tell you something. You know, John is my friend, and that's her sister.
I don't care. I just don't care. I don't want her to go. She's the way she dresses, carries herself around. Do you realize you are married? It's not like I don't trust her. I just don't trust her.
Listen, the thing is, she's a girl. You know, every girl needs to wear short stuff and everything. Listen, I don't have interest in her. The fact is, John is my friend, and that's her sister. And
She has to go. She has stayed for so long.
Listen.
How can she put on short stuff? Look at the way she dressed yesterday. All her breasts is even showing up and stuff.
You have to trust me.
No.
Listen to me, listen. She's going to probably take a week or two and she'll be off. I can't sack her. I have not done anything to her. Listen, I don't feel anything for her. There's no emotions with her. I don't know what you're talking about, but listen, relax, take it easy for me.
I don't trust her.
Listen, please.
She has to go. If you truly loves me and you appreciate this marriage, then you have to let her go.
Listen. I love you. I appreciate you.
She doesn't cook, she doesn't clean. She wants me to do it. For how long am I going to tolerate that?
She doesn't stay with us. She will go soon.
Babe, no.
Listen. You're not the only person I love. I married you because I love you. And I don't do anything to hurt you. Please. Listen, I'll do something about it. But first.
The only thing you can do is to let her go.
I'll think about it. Don't worry.
You think about it. What are you going to think about? What is there for you to think about?
Babe, listen. Look at me. So you don't trust me?
It's not like I don't trust you. The way she dresses exposes her body and stuff. I don't like it.
That is normal. She looks like a kid.
It is normal.
She looks like a kid sister to me.
No. Well, I don't care if she's a kid sister to you. I just want her to go. Because one day I might not be here and she will seduce you. And it's like, no, I can't take that chance.
I don't have any feelings for her. Trust me. Please. Listen, I'll make it up to you. I will do something about it. But for now, let's just focus. I'm just watching it.
The only thing that is going to make me happy, see her out of
this house.
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. Anything for my queen. But don't worry. Let's focus on what we are watching on TV. Okay. There's something on TV. Let's watch. Let's forget about it.
I can't forget about it because I'm still thinking. Hey, Chantel. What do you think you're doing? What do you think you are doing?
She's just cleaning.
Cleaning
what?
what?
Like she's doing.
Hey, you are dead. She said, who cleaning? And I want to know too. And I was more relaxing. You are turning your ass doing like this.
I'm just watching TV and she's just cleaning. What is wrong?
What do you mean you are just what? I'll just don't just piss me off. Madam, do you know? Today is the last straw. She has to leave.
She's not going anywhere.
What?
She's not going anywhere. She's just cleaning.
Serious, are you okay?
She's not going anywhere.
She's leaving this is my house. She's leaving.
How many times should I have to tell you that there's nothing going on?
I don't care. I just don't care. I know what I saw. And now don't dare. You are leaving this house. That is fine now.
It's high time you have to stop doing this.
Stop doing what?
You have to stop doing this.
Stop doing what? I just saw you looking at her ass and she's shaking her ass and telling me don't just piss me
I
off.
was just looking at the TV and she was just cleaning. What do you
I
think
said
this
she's
for?
leaving my house. That is it.
Hey, boy.
Madam, go inside, pack your things and leave.
Don't mind. I'll talk to her. No,
Please,
you can't just
she's
do this.
serious.
Let her be. She can't feel free in this house.
I said she's leaving and that is fine now. It's either you choose me or you choose her.
I don't have any bad intention.
I just don't want to listen to what you are trying to tell me. You are going to seduce my husband and telling me
She's not seducing
I
me.
just saw you looking at her for God's sake.
I was watching the TV. What is wrong?
Okay, fine. Better leave.
No,
You better do.
Sorry, I'll leave.
Say I'm going to
Sir,
don't touch me.
what is wrong?
I saw you looking at her.
You saw me looking at what? What evidence do you have?
What do you want me to see people having sex before you tell me? What? Madam, leave.
What?
Just leave. Go.
Chantel.
Oh, don't worry.
Chantel.
For the
What are you trying to do? Please, let her go.
Please. You're not here.
Leave.
I'll call you, don't worry.
You call him, not Shibi. Husband snatches.
Baby, has it got to this? Has it got to
I said
this?
you didn't touch. Don't touch me.
Has it got to this? Calling someone a husband snatcher as if you came to meet us doing something.
This is what you people do. The later and you tell me she's pregnant. I'm not tolerating that nonsense. Not in this house. Never. You better not bring anybody here again. I'm telling you.
So, where do you want this poor girl to go now?
I don't care. She should go to her brother's place. Didn't you say she...
In Kumasi, we are in a car.
I don't care.
Madam, I won't say.
I'm fine.
I don't want you to go Hana.
No.
Now, I don't know what I'm going to say.
I don't really understand what you are saying. Can you translate?
I made Teresa has seen Wawa, and in Nencham was in different threat and animals. I know what he has said.
I don't have anywhere to stay.
Was it?
I don't have anywhere to go.
That you may say, I know what he has said. Who's a Hannah and Nencham we were has said the green. You won't point me to it.
Can't you speak English? I don't understand what you're saying.
Hey, may boy on also soon. Won't the American?
And I'm saying I don't have anywhere to go. That's why I'm here.
Ah, nice. My men over to find. Yes,
I'm not from this town.
Won't you come here?
No.
Oh. And now, the only one who number now coming friend and Mauna said the bear.
No, I don't.
What's it?
I'm not waiting for anybody. I just moved from where I was and I'm just here.
I win you. Oh. Okay.
I want to talk to you.
And now we're so bad because.
Oh no, I'm human. I came here to offer my national service. Yeah, and I was with my brother's friend. But his wife, I don't know. She said I'm trying to seduce the husband or something. I don't know. So she stagged me out of the house.
Well, Sarus in the mountain. I said, oh no, some
I didn't say Sarus. I mean seduce, like I'm trying to take the husband from her, yeah.
Oh! Yeah. And it's all yes, I want you.
Oh no, I didn't do that. I was just cleaning and I don't know.
Oh. But the young come here. Young Kwaname Mara been at the China, that probably for you who the why?
I'm not from like anywhere around this.
No problem, sir, from when the engineer in free here. The engineer, but for the meantime, I am Kwaname and
to your house.
To meet you. Young Kwanama.
Oh no, I'm okay.
Oh.
Please, is your house far from this place?
Oh, they've been a baby out here and Yamido calls a power. Hey, sister.
It's okay, don't.
Boko, what's it?
Please, do you live alone?
What's it?
If you also have a wife, I wouldn't want to go, I'm sorry.
Into Batna,
it's better being here than going to the street.
What's it?
Do you have a wife?
What's it? I was sure they do, man.
No, wife, like.
I made them in Wale.
Can't you speak English?
What's it?
English.
Brofo.